So it's a bit cold out. I'm going to do a YouTube video, at least try to, so I can explain how I set my jumper cables up. I have this little bag I keep them in. It's a pain getting them out, but in the bag, jumper cables came in originally. So here I have a set of jumper cables. It's cold, very cold. But I bought at Walmart, regular set. Nothing too wonderful. Oh, hold on a second. Let me hook them up. I have something a little odd on the other end of my jumper cables. As you see, I have to adjust, but it's loud out. So like I said, as you see, I have them wound up right now and just in a little clamp. And you see the jumper cables, and then I have the plug. As you have the plug right here. It's the only thing I hate is when it snows, I find somebody with a dead vehicle. It's always hard to get them off. Let me turn my fuse breaker off, and then I can plug them in, and not having power, so I can show you how it works. Basically, take the plug, theoretically, instead of popping your hood, you don't have to pop your hood. You have yourself nice set of, dang it, come on, jumper cables that you can not have to open your vehicle. Plug and play right here. They have them online for, same price I paid basically get it made for. And I went and bought jumper cables from Walmart. I had the guy cut the end off and put that on there. Now, let's see how we turn this thing around. Can I turn it around while I'm recording? I guess not. I don't know. What's that? No, that's camera photo. Alright, I'm gonna be back.